Hello everyone, my name is Joseph. This is an ADU garage conversion in Reseda. It's about 475 square feet. The first feature that you see is a red door, beautiful red door. You walk in right here, you see a couple of things. First thing is first, trash. Beautiful, we have a recycling and a regular trash. It's a pull-out, it's beautiful. Countertops from Brazil. This is an onyx countertop from BCS. And we have a 32-inch sink. Hardware from Eisenhome. Beautiful hardware that Eisenhome gave us. Fantastic. Beautiful cabinets. We have our cabinets that are dove gray. We have a 30-inch oven, 4 burners. We have a microwave, huge fridge, as well as a water dispenser in our fridge, which is pretty cool here. That dispenses water. And dishwasher, which is really nice, and a huge kitchen. Again, Neo Builders builds custom kitchen cabinets, any color you want, any style you want, any finish, any hardware, you got it. As we keep on going, we have huge pantry, tons of space for even clothes or food, perishables, anything you need to keep in storage, and again, uppers as well. Tons of space on the uppers, and our washer dryer unit. Beautiful. The next thing that we're going to be looking at is this bathroom. 4-inch vanity. We still have 30 inches for our toilet, and a massive shower. Look at the shower. Of course, we have a bench, rainfall shower, 2-foot niche, plenty of space for Costco size shampoos, and again, sliding window as well, just to have this whole place being aired out. Frame of shower glass, which is really nice, and tile for the ceiling. Again, I talk about the bathroom a lot. I think the bathroom is really important, but it's for the homeowner to decide whether they want a bigger bathroom, a bigger kitchen, a bigger bedroom, and in this case, we really went for a huge kitchen. We also have a bedroom here. The bedroom is a little bit small. It's about 100 square feet, plenty of space for a queen size bed. We also have a TV mounting system right here. So this is going to be for, just to make sure that all of our cables are hidden inside. Really nice to have a TV space right there. As you walk up here, remember, this is a separate bedroom. So we have another AC mini split, 18,000 BTU, just for the bedroom. And again, the closet. A lot of people like this closet because we have a pole, we have a shelf, we have everything we need here, but we also have plenty of storage space on the top, which is something super special. Let's walk outside. Every single one of our ADUs, I stress to the homeowners to have an outdoor space. This is the outdoor space that we're giving this unit. So again, huge space. We have about 160 square feet here. We also have some space in the back where our water features are, where our water heater is, our tankless, and also some storage space. But get this, you also have this whole area as well. So again, you can give more or you can give less to your ADU in terms of backyard space. Remember, this was a garage with an addition, so we could have, made the addition a little bit smaller and give them more backyard space. We already went all the way to the end, to the 5-foot setback rule, so we wanted to give them an extra space to hang out in. But we come in here, we have our exterior AC system, and again, just everything here is placed correctly. We made sure to put the AC system here, just as a barrier between both units. We have our sub panel here. Beautiful sub panel. Rated the main unit to 200. We have 60 amps on this unit. There you guys have it. This is our ADU. I'll see you guys later. Have fun and have a good weekend. Bye. Thanks for watching the whole video. Feel free to like and subscribe this video if you like this type of content. And if you're interested in building an ADU, remember you can sign up below for a free consultation, 15-minute conversation with me, and we'll brainstorm your ADU. Thank you. Bye-bye.